Day 2. Alright guys, today we are learning about body parts. Body parts in Samoan means Vaega or Tino. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Head. Head in Samoan means ulu. Say ulu. Ears. Ears in Samoan means Taliga. Say Taliga. Nose. Nose in Samoan means isu. Say isu. Cheeks. Cheeks in Samoan means Alafau. Say Alafau. Chin. Chin in Samoan means Auvae. Say Auvae. Mouth. Mouth in Samoan means mutu. Say mutu. Shoulder. Shoulder in Samoan means tau'au. Say tau'au. Hands. Hands in Samoan means Lima. Say Lima. Fingers. Fingers in Samoan means Tama'ivae. Say Tama'ivae. Knees. Knees in Samoan means Tulivae. Say Tulivae. Toes. Toes in Samoan means Tama'ivae. Say Tama'ivae. Now let's all say it together. Ulu. Taliga. Mata. Isu. Alafau. Auvae. Tau'au. Lima. Tuli. Tama'ivae. Great job everyone. Whaafitai. See you in our next lesson.